Alright, let's get started, and I will demonstrate how to install the Google Cloud command line interface that you can use. I will be demonstrating that on the Mac OS environment, just because I'm on the Mac machine right now, but I will leave the instructions for Linux, Red Hat, Windows machines in the description to this video, so you could use these instructions if you're not on Mac machine. So the first thing you would need to do, you would need to check your current Python version by running Python v command, and the supported version is the version from 3.8 to 3.12 at the moment. So let me demonstrate that. You run the Python 3v command, and you can see your version of the Python on your machine. In my case, it's 3.11.6. which is within the needed range. The next thing you would need to determine which package you would need to download for installing Google Cloud command line interface. And in order to check your machine hardware name, you could run uname m command from a command line to determine the hardware name. And let me demonstrate that. So here you see that I got x86-64, which means that I would need this package to be installed. So let's go ahead and download the package. And download the package. Yeah, it shouldn't take that long. So yeah, as you can see, we've just downloaded the package and it's right here. All right, after downloading, let's go ahead and unzip the file by using our command Google Cloud CLI Darwin X. Okay, let's go ahead and unzip it. It's gonna take a while. Gonna take a while to unpack all the files that we would need. All right, now we're done, and you can see that you have a new folder on Google Cloud SDK. So let's see. Yeah, so this is the content of the folder, and as you can see, we have an install shell script right here. And that's exactly what we would need to continue the installation of the Google Cloud command line interface, right? So the next step would be, we would need to extract, okay, so we just extracted the archive in the home directory location. And now we would need to use the install script to add Google Cloud command line interface tool to your path. You can also opt in to command completion for your shell. Use a statistic collection installed Python 3.11. But in my case, I will just run the script from the root folder. On the folder I've extracted the last step using this command, Google Cloud SDK/install. Alright, so the installation script will ask you, do you want to help to improve the Google Cloud command line interface? I highly encourage you to help to improve the Google Cloud interface if you want to. In my case, just because of the sensitivity information, I will be using this machine later on. I would say no here, but normally I would definitely help to support and help to improve that. Okay, so now it's asking, would you mind the shell script to modify profile to update your path to enable shell command completion? And in this case, I will say yes. And here you can say, yeah, this is the default path anyway, so you can just leave it blank and type enter. But you need to install additional modules for Python. Yes. And virtual environment was enabled, and basically that's pretty much it. So let me show and let me demonstrate how to use Google Cloud command line interface from your terminal. Yeah, to initiate the Google Cloud command line interface, you should start from typing the command Google Cloud init, and this command will take you through the configuration of Google Cloud, and the current configuration was set up to default, but it's the default configuration. We can skip diagnostic next time by using the flag skip diagnostics. Past network diagnostic past. You must log in to continue. Would you like to log in? Yes. Here I will use my Google Cloud credentials to log in. I will click continue and I will click allow. And here it takes you back. You're logged in as your user, and then pick cloud project to use. So here I can use the project I am working on. You can actually create a new project if you want. You can enter the specific project ID. Let me use the project I'm using for fine-tuning Gemma model. Here you can type 2. So this is now the current project. You want to configure default compute regions and zone? Yes, please. Please enter numeric choice for text mode. So in my case, I'm in the US on the West Coast right now. So I will use US West 1 11B, so I will tell 11. The project configuration has been set to US West 1. And voila. So yeah, so now we have full functional Google Cloud command line interface up and running. And anytime if you need to see the Google Cloud help or Google Cloud cheat sheet, you can always use the command Google Cloud cheat sheet, and it will give you back the instructions, pretty much as a man command for Google Cloud. If you need more detailed information on any of those commands, how to switch between projects, how to use the Google Cloud interface with Docker and Google Kubernetes Engine, you can always find all that here in this quick access cheat sheet. I think it's very useful. If you need more details, you can always type Google Cloud help for more details. Let me demonstrate that. Google Cloud help. And here you'll get like man-like overview and instructions on how to use Google Cloud interface. All right, thank you so much for joining, and let's focus on the specific examples of what exactly you can do with Google Cloud command line interface up and running. Thank you.